Hey guys, this is Wanda, the traveling Dutchie, coming right at you from Costa Rica. I'm actually at San Jose Airport. I'm really excited because this is my very first flight after lockdown. I'm going to the Netherlands, my home country. I'm gonna see my parents and my brother for the first time after a year and a half. That's how long it's been. I was supposed to fly last March. Obviously, that didn't happen. Then I was supposed to fly again in August. Didn't happen. But today is the day, and I'm so excited. I'm really surprised though how busy it is at the airport. There's tons and tons of people. Um, I actually arrived a little bit late. Thank goodness I had MasterCard Black so I could skip all the lines because else I would have not made it to my flight. Luckily now I have 10 minutes to sit down and drink a wine and talk to you guys, and I'm very curious now to see how busy it's gonna be the airplane. I'll show you. See you in a bit. Hey, so I just arrived at Amsterdam Airport Schiphol. Actually couldn't take a video at the plane. It was absolutely full. Here I thought I was going to be on an empty flight, but no. I mean today is the 23rd. I guess everybody is flying with Christmas regardless of the fact that most people aren't allowed into most European countries. So I guess they're all transits. I'm not really sure. But I'm gonna go to the baggage hall, get my luggage, and then I can't wait to see my parents. Yay! This is passport control behind me for Europeans. So I guess everybody was indeed. The transfer is completely empty. It's spooky. Alright, here I go. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Anything Costa Rica related will be made a video of. Of course, now I'm in Holland saying hi to my parents. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone. Ciao from the Netherlands. Bye.